So I wanted to basically discuss with y'all the changes that I've seen in my hair since I've been on this microloc journey. So I kind of got a secret. Shh, don't tell nobody, okay? Don't tell nobody. Can y'all hear that? It's raining really, 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 really loud. I'm excited because I love when it rains. It's my favorite. It's so relaxing. This might be an ASMR video because I'm just like, I don't want to talk loud. And I know my intro is like kind of high energy, so I'm just like, I don't know. All right, let's do this, y'all. Let's do this. Fluerish Fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jehudia, and ooh, I don't know what that was, but yeah, I'm Jehudia. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I'm here to give y'all my 3-month microloc update on my hair. All right, let's get right into this video. So y'all, I locked my hair 9/13/19 in September, September this year, and I started off with twists, with little bitty twists. If y'all don't know, I have that video. Y'all can go see this video right here. But yeah, I started my hair off with a little bitty twist, and it didn't take me long to do it. I think it took me like the whole day. I was so adamant about getting these in, y'all. I was like, I'm getting my hair like this. This is what I'm doing. Updates. Updates. It's really kind of the same, y'all. The only thing is I did experience breakage, and I showed y'all that in my last video. And I have another piece that is in that breakage zone, and I'm just like, man, why are they all trying to leave me like this? Like, what is going on? Only the strong survive. So let me see, let me find it. Here it is. I can just feel it. Like, it has like a whole bunch of knots, I feel like. So here is the piece that is going to basically get cut off. Y'all see that? All right. Put my hand back. So yeah, this piece right here, you see it has these like 2 little knots. It reminds me of like, do y'all ever see power lines that have like the basketballs on them? I've always called them basketballs. I don't know why they have basketballs on the power lines, but pretty sure it's to control something. But yeah, so this is how it looks at the very end, and then you see this and that, and then this is what it's like from the root. So I'm gonna like cut it. I don't want to, but I'm going to cut it. It's gonna be one of the shorter ones in the middle of my head. I wanted to show y'all this, and I think I showed y'all my last one, and I think I had another one where I accidentally like did something and it like ripped. I have to be very careful because y'all, they're so small, and like some of them they have the buds at the bottom, which I'm not really sure that I'm gonna let it keep budding at the bottom, because of course I do want my locks to have like a little curl at the end. So not necessarily saying I'm combing all of them out, but the ones that are just like super huge, I'm not keeping them in my head. Another update would be that what I'm using on my hair currently. So before I was using rose water and just distilled water, or was I just using plain on rose water? I think I was just using regular rose water. So I was just using rose water, and I was just using regular water. So I stepped it up and I started using, I thought I had my spray bottle here, but I started using peppermint oil and just distilled water in one of my bottles. And then in my other bottle, I have all my oils right here so I can tell y'all. I use vitamin E oil, I use black castor oil, and I use jojoba oil in distilled water in that one. So I kind of got my little mixture going. I still have to go back and get me some rose water. So because I really like rose water, this has been holding me up until I go get it. Another thing, I use a couple of different products in my hair, but one that I use like literally like once a month is this leave-in conditioner by Miracle Moisture. And I used this on my daughter's hair, so I was just like, let me just spray my hair with this. Like not moisture to undo my locks, but just moisture, because you don't want your hair to be dry because then it'll snap. So I'll do that. And the other product, this is what I use for my scalp, y'all. My scalp, okay? Because I do get dandruff sometimes. So I use the Royal Oils Daily Moisture Scalp Cream. I couldn't even remember it. But it's by Head & Shoulders, y'all. So this is made for women of color, basically for our hair. And I use it like every day. I used it today. I just put it on my scalp and I rub it in. And I really, really like this. I feel like it worked. Yeah, so that's what's been going on with my hair, y'all. So another thing is my hair is still growing. It's still growing, but it has shrunken, like it's in a shrunken state. So I wanna like just show y'all like, so to me, I just feel like it's like so like, it's different from the natural hair journey, but it's just like I feel like the shrinkage part is the exact same for the natural hair journey for me, because this is still the exact same things that I was going through. Like, I don't know if y'all remember when I did it, like my hair was hanging a little bit, but it shrinks up. So, but that's normal too. I know that's normal. I see a lot of, well, I'm not gonna say it's normal for everyone. Some people don't get shrinkage. I'm one of those people that gets shrinkage. I still wash my hair once every 2 weeks. I use clarifying shampoo still. Yeah, and I just be taking care of my hair, y'all. Oh, one thing that I try to stay away from because of that piece that I just showed y'all with the breakage and stuff like that, I try to refrain from putting, well, I'm not gonna say I try. I refrain from putting my hair in a ponytail, in a top knot, or anything like that, because it's pulling on my hair and I feel like it's breaking my strands. That's why I experienced some of that breakage like that. They're not all the way in the nape of my neck, and they're not all the way like at the very top. They're like in this area where my ponytail would be. So I feel like that pulling is being like harsh on my strands. So I'm really trying to stay away from that. So the most you'll see me do is pin my hair up and I'll twist it back or something like that. But as you can see, this is literally like one of my favorite hairstyles. So I just really wear this one all the time. Pin it up on the sides. Y'all seen the video. I'll link that video too. So yeah, that's what I've been doing with my hair, y'all. I still have some that unravel. I just a minute ago, I just had to braid one up because it had unraveled. Ones that look like this, I have to twist it up, and I normally do that when I'm going through and retying my hair. But another good point is, from something that I do differently than when I started as far as my retie, I stopped doing the exact same 4-point rotation that I started off doing. And I'm gonna give you the reason behind that. The reason I stopped doing the 4-point rotation is because I figured, first and foremost, it was taking me entirely too long. It took me a week the first time to get done with my hair. And I was just like, you know what, this is too long. Like, I understand it wouldn't take someone else a week to do my hair, but y'all, just realistically, like, I have to cook dinner, I have to clean, I have other things I need to do, I have a husband, I have children. You know what I'm saying? It just wasn't, I need stuff to be like this. I don't need it to be like, I don't need that. I don't even know what that example was, y'all. I'm sorry. But anyways, y'all get my drift. What I'm saying is, I switched from 4-point to the 2-point rotation. Now, let me tell you about the 2-point rotation. All you do, so the 4-point rotation is when you're going, I'm gonna do a video on this, but it's when you're going, it's the north to south, east to west, south to north, west to east. Now with the 2-point, I'm doing, let's say I'm doing 6 to 3. No, 6 to 3. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm sorry. I'm doing 9 to 3, 12 to 6. That's what I'm doing. So basically, you're only going twice. I'm going up 1, and then I'm going across 1. So that's only 2 times. Y'all, when they cut everything in half, I literally finished this entire front part of my head, I did this in like 4 hours. And I was moving so fast. And y'all see, like, my hair, the retie is still good. Like, it still look good. I was able to finish quickly. That way I have more time for my family, for me to get finished doing things. The whole point of me having my locks and stuff like this, remember, like, I'm trying to be hair-free. What is it? Hands hair-free? That's what I'm trying to be. I'm not trying to have to be in my head 24/7 trying to, you know, especially even when that one time comes. I'm not trying to do that. So if you want to, you can consider the 2-point rotation. There's also a 3-point rotation. There are some videos on YouTube about them, so just go look them up. But yeah, I was so happy that I switched to that, and it's just made everything a lot better. Like, it's just easier for me to get through. So it's not gonna take me a week. But yeah, y'all, so that's my update so far. Like I said, it really hasn't changed from the first and the second month. Like I said, I did experience breakage. I kind of switched up what I'm spraying in my hair, but other than that, everything's pretty much the same. I'm looking forward to all of the growth. I cannot wait until I'm like 8 months, 10 months, microloc. Like, I don't know how it's gonna hang, you know, I don't know. I'm just excited. I'm ready to see how well my microlocs hold up and keep them looking like neat and nice and things like that. So if you want to, you can follow me on Instagram, y'all. It's Jehudia_Israel. I do post pictures of my hair there when I'm not on here. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Like I said, go out and check out my previous microloc videos. I have a couple of them. And I will see y'all in my next video. And shalom. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to basically let y'all know that I do have my own jewelry line. It's 832. It is a dainty, timeless, special line. I create all the pieces myself and I design them myself. So I'm just showing you the website. You can click there, shop now, check out the 12 Pearl collection. It's very classy, timeless, a dainty, chic line, you guys. I hand stamp the jewelry myself as well, and I can have custom pieces made for you. Like I said, some of my pieces are very faith-based, so you will see the mustard seed there, because faith is all you need, the size of a mustard seed. The site is very user-friendly, and you can just scroll down, click the link that you want in your chain, and add it to your bag, and your mustard seed necklace will be on its way to you. Once again, I always want to thank y'all so much for supporting me and my channel, and I will see y'all in my next video.